Healthy dessert recipes can be tricky. We're not about sickly sweet stuff, but there are some cravings only a brownie can satisfy. That's why we love Healthiest desserts, which use feel-good ingredients and a few pro techniques to create recipes. Here are 7 healthiest desserts to try this year. 1. Chocolate-Almond Fridge Fudge. With a lower amount of butter and sugar and plenty of antioxidant-rich dark chocolate, you're going to end up with the tastiest, perfectly fudgy brownie with goodness of almonds and avocados. 2. Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookie. The Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookie is a truly underrated gem. It's a perfectly chewy cookie made of baked oats and a surprising jolt of chocolatey goodness. Plus, the oatmeal is a way to keep this cookie healthy, and with an extra pinch of sea salt that plays off the chocolate perfectly, your taste buds are going to be very happy. Go ahead and have a few of them, too. 3. Tiramisu. No matter where you order a tiramisu from, it generally always tends to taste the same, but what goes into a classic tiramisu isn't all that great for you. Our healthier version makes a few swaps, ditching the egg yolks and mascarpone in favor of beaten egg whites and whipped cream cheese for a lighter, yet still rich and satisfying treat. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and subscribe to our channel. 4. Key lime pie. If you've never made a pie before, key lime is hands down the easiest in the history of baking. Mix, pour, bake, serve, and eat is all you have to do. With a graham cracker crust and a tart intense flavor you can only get from key lime, this is a dessert everyone is going to be happy you easily mastered. 5. Banana Nutella Crepes. A dessert crepe can easily end up being super high in calories, but everything in moderation is key, right? Here, we use the classic hazelnut spread that is Nutella and pair it with bananas for a lighter take. 6. Low-sugar cranberry orange scones. Yes, scones absolutely count as one of our healthy dessert recipes. Each cranberry orange scone only has 8 grams of sugar in it. Instead of using granulated sugar, this recipe relies on honey and dried cranberries to give it that touch of sweetness you're craving. 7. Banana coconut ice cream. If you're doing the Whole30 cleanse, you may be wondering whether there is such a thing as Whole30 ice cream. The answer is a big fat yes. Once you taste this decadent homemade version, you won't believe it's both vegan and Whole30 approved. 6. Pumpkin bread pudding, with orange zest, cranberries, maple syrup, and pecans along with pumpkin pie spice. Of course this dessert is basically autumn in a nutshell. 7. Lime avocado mousse. This recipe is so thick and rich you'll swear there must be dairy in it. But it's actually vegan and clean enough for the dreaded 30-day cleanse. All that being said, try not to be too hard on yourself with all this healthy diet. There's absolutely nothing wrong with trying to eat a little healthier this year, but there's also absolutely nothing wrong with eating a cookie every once in a while. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel for more such videos.